Good morning, class 8. Myself Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Nagar, Navada. This is the ninth video of the chapter Crop Production and Management. In last video, we have completed the last topic, that is stories and the food that we get from the animal. So in that animal husbandry, and these all things are explained. So today we are going to discuss exercise. So first question, select the correct word from the following list and fill in the blanks. The same kind of plants grown and cultivated on large scale at a place is called crop. So for first question A, answer will be crop. B, the first step before growing crops is dash of the soil. It is called preparation of the soil. C, the damaged seed would dash on the top of the water. If you put many seed in the water, the damaged seed will float on the water. D, for growing a crop, sufficient sunlight and dash from the soil is essential. So what plant get from the soil? Plant get water and nutrients from the soil. Okay. Second question. Match the following. First, kharif crop. So first will be E. For first, second question, first will be E. That is paddy and maize. Rabi crop, that will be D. So second, D. Third, chemical fertilizer, that is B. Urea and superphosphate. D. Organic manure, animal excreta, cow dung, urine and plant waste. So it will be C. So fourth will be C. Okay. So no problem. Next is give two example of kharif crop. Kharif crop, third, paddy and maize. First answer. Second question is rabi, wheat and gram. Second, wheat and gram. Write a paragraph in your own words on each of the following. Preparation of soil. Preparation of soil. Soil preparation is necessary before sowing seed. It involves loosening and turning of soil. It allows root to penetrate deep and breathe easily. Implements such as plow, hoe, and leveler is used. Plowing also help us to get rid from weeds. Plowing bring nutrient rich soil on the top. Okay, first is preparation of soil, next is sowing. What is sowing? Putting seed in soil is called sowing. Seed drill is used for sowing seed. Good quality seeds are used for sowing. In case of some plants, seeds are first put into a small field, then seedling is transplanted to the main field. Seed should be placed at proper distance and right depth for proper utilization of field. Okay, sowing. Next is weeding. Process of removing unwanted plants from field is called weeding. It is done to prevent competition between weeds and crops for water, nutrient, sunlight, and space. Weeding can be done manually with the help of sickle or chemicals such as 2,4-D. So this is the weeds. You can also write here, this is called VD site. So different point is there. I have just written something that I want it should be there in the notes. Apart from this also lots of information is there that you can write. Okay. Next is threshing. The process of separating grains from harvested crop is called threshing. Threshing can be done manually by striking harvested crop against any hard surface, or it can also be done by a machine called thresher. Nowadays, combine is used, which does harvesting and threshing. Okay. Next, thresher. Next question is, explain how fertilizer is different from the manure. So difference between fertilizer and manure I have provided, so I am not going to write again. What is irrigation? Providing water to the plant is called irrigation. According to the plant means soil. ये 3 पॉइंट जरूर लिखिएगा. Providing water to the crops according to the type of soil, type of crop and season is called irrigation. And irrigation can be done from, for irrigation water is taken from any water source such as river, lake, pond, dam, canals, etc. And after that, one more tail is the question, describe two methods of irrigation which conserve water. Modern method of irrigation, that is sprinkler system and drip system. Those two you will write in this answer. Question number 7. Now I will see question number 7. If wheat is sown in Kharif season, what would happen? Discuss. Wheat is grown during November to March, means during winter season, and wheat require less amount of water. If wheat is a rabi crop, and if wheat is grown in Kharif season, Kharif is a rainy season, so there will be lots of water logging, मतलब पानी जम जाना, and due to this water logging, chances of the plants means crops can get damaged, and that will result into decrease in the product of the crop, means the wheat crop may get damaged, and it will get damaged, and very less produce we will get from the wheat. Explains how soil is affected by continuous plantation of crop in a field. If you grow or cultivate same type of crop for long duration, means continuously, it will ultimately result into decrease in the nutrient content or the mineral content of the soil. Due to this, the fertility of the soil will decrease, and it will affect the growth of the plant, and that ultimately will cause decrease in the product that we get from the plant. Okay. What are weeds? Unwanted plant that grow along with the main crop is called weed. How we control them? Weeding can be controlled manually with the help of sickle, or it can be controlled by the chemical called weedicides. And this example of weedicide is 2,4-D. Weedicide is the chemical which is sprayed on the crop, means on the weeds. And one thing, weeding, oh, one point I missed in weeding. In weeding, one point I missed is that during weeding you have, on that point during weeding, one more point you have to keep in mind. In that weeding, that paragraph which I have told you, in that one point you will write that weeding is done before flowering and seed formation in the wheat. This point you must include in weeding. I forgot that, you will write this point in that also. Okay. So, done. Question number 10. Arrange the following boxes in proper manner order to make a flow chart of sugarcane crop production. So, first will be preparation of the soil. Next will be plowing of the seed field. Third will be sowing of the seed, means sowing. The next first will be preparation of soil. Second will be plowing of the field. Third will be sowing. Fourth will be manuring, fifth will be irrigation, sixth will be harvesting, and seventh will be sending crop to the sugarcane. If we go according to the numbering which is provided in the question, then it will be 5, after that 6, then 4, then 7, then 2, then 3, then 1. Means first the box number 5, then box number 6, then box number 4, then box number 7, then box number 3, then box number 2, and then at the last, the box number, okay, 2, 3, and 1. Okay. Now, complete the following word puzzle with the help of clues given below. First, providing water to the crops. First one, from top to bottom, it will be irrigation. So, 11th, first will be irrigation. Means this is top to bottom. And keeping crop grains for long duration under proper conditions. Second is storage. Third one, certain plants of the same kind grown on large scale is called crop. Next is across, means left to right. In this, this is the fifth one. And the third one, the machine used for cutting matured crop is called harvester. And the fourth one, a rabi crop that also one of the pulses, gram, chana. And the sixth one, a process of separating grains from the chaff is called winnowing. With this, we have discussed the exercise. Still, if anyone have any problem you don't find, means you can't write the answer, you can ask. Okay, thank you.